Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your own LLC. First, you'll want to understand why an LLC is a great choice for many small businesses, offering personal liability protection. We'll cover the essential groundwork you need to lay before you even touch a form. This includes researching your desired business name to ensure it's available and meets state requirements. Getting these foundational steps right will make the rest of the process much smoother and quicker for you. Once you have a clear idea of your business, it's time to finalize your LLC name. This name must be distinct and include LLC or Limited Liability Company. Next, you'll need to designate a registered agent. This person or service receives legal and tax documents on behalf of your LLC and must have a physical address in the state where you're filing. Confirming your name's availability with the Secretary of State is a crucial step before proceeding. An operating agreement is vital, even for a single-member LLC. It's an internal document that defines how your business will be run, including ownership percentages and management roles. After that, you'll need an employer identification number, or EIN, from the IRS. This 9-digit number is like a social security number for your business, essential for opening bank accounts, filing taxes, and hiring employees. It's a free and straightforward application process online. The final step in forming your LLC is filing the Articles of Organization with your state's Secretary of State office. This formal document officially creates your LLC. Be prepared to pay the associated filing fees, which can range from $50 to several $100 depending on your state. After filing, remember to maintain compliance by filing annual reports and keeping your operating agreement updated. Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to help streamline your life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.